Okay, good morning Facebook and YouTube. Today on How Hugh, working on the Harbor Freight trailer project, Teardrop project. So I went and got the floor, and I'm in a much smaller truck than I used to be, so that's how it travels. Okay, let's take it out. I hate this part, laying on the ground, but I need to mark those holes, so this is what I got to do. Haven't found a better way. If you know a better way, put it in the comments, will you? Oh. Ah. Okay, I've got a clamp and a few of them in place to hold it where I want it. Now I'm just gonna try to do it different. Okay, got a bunch of holes drilled. I'll go ahead and flip it over and put some protective paint on it. So I picked up a gallon of Oops paint for $9. Somebody got the wrong color. It's kind of a reddish, brownish color. It's going on the bottom, so it doesn't even matter. It won't ever be seen unless you're laying on the ground. And then I don't think you'll be caring about the color of the paint. So I'm gonna get a coat on this, see what it does. Okay, that's the first coat. That'll be flipped over. That'll be on the underside. I'll probably put another coat on it because I have the paint. So, okay, both sides got a coat of paint on the bottom piece of wood, particle, whatever it is. Need to get some shorter screws to go in the other holes that I drilled. Couldn't get those long ones in. So, anyways, I want to have the screws so that the sides can attach to the frame nice and securely and put up with the wind. Okay, that's it for now. Out. The $9 Home Depot mistake paint actually worked out pretty good. It was some Bear paint. I think it was Bear. Anyway, so where the screws are coming up, I put them in that way so that I can mark locations for drilling. I think what I might do is make a frame out of a 2x4 or a 2x3 that goes all the way around, and then that's what the walls will attach to. And then it'll just have a little lip on it. Have to figure out how to waterproof it, even though it doesn't rain where I live. Whoever this goes to, it may rain where they live. But so that's it for right now. I'll worry about lights and that kind of stuff much later. I will probably put a little bumper on it made out of some 3-inch or so flat iron, you know, something about that thick, just goes around it, little brackets to it. The main reason I want to do a 2x4 or so frame is so that I can have it be square, because the trailer's not actually square. It's pretty close to it, but it has a lot of miles on it. So anyways,